The first Buona Beef restaurant opened in Berwyn, Illinois in 1981. The Italian beef is made from lean choice sirloin which is seasoned with Italian spices. The beef is first seared at a high temperature, followed by a slow roasting which tenderizes the beef and creates their signature gravy. Buona Beef is located in Berwyn, Illinois and other Chicago area locations. The Buona Beef kit comes in a styrofoam container. The kit includes Tirano mini French rolls, hot giardiniera, and the Italian beef with gravy. The Italian beef should be thawed for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator before cooking. The prep instructions include both stovetop and microwave methods for making the Italian beef sandwiches. The roll was about 4 inches in length with a slightly sweet taste. The Italian beef was not chewy but instead was very tender. The spices in the gravy were mildly hot. The giardiniera was very hot which can overwhelm the other flavors in the Italian beef sandwich if applied too heavily. The combination of flavors give the sandwich a winning taste. The Buona Italian beef sandwich has won various awards for being the best Italian beef in Chicago. Buona is the official Italian beef of the Chicago White Sox and is also served at Chicago Bears games. The early history of the Italian beef sandwich is not fully known but is presumed to have been invented in Chicago during the Depression. The Buona Italian beef is a great choice for trying this famous Chicago sandwich.